ni yma heddi yn niwrnod gwaith maes CFfI Cymru 2024. Fel rhan o'r diwrnod, mae gyda ni amryw o gystadleuaethau gan gynnwys y Cystadleuaeth sgiliau Diogelwch Fferm. Mae'r gystadleuaeth yma yn un bwysig iawn i ni fel CFfI Cymru. Rydyn ni'n gwybod bod aelodau'n elwa yn fawr iawn o'r gystadleuaeth. Mae Diogelwch Fferm yn rhywbeth sydd yn bwysig iawn, yn rhywbeth i ni moyn dysgu aelodau. Mae'r aelodau'n cael gweithio mewn tîm, dysgu sgiliau o moes bydd yn eu cadw nhw yn saff yn gweithio ar y fferm.
I was doing the tractor and trailer task, putting the bucket on the trailer and securing it to the trailer properly and towing on the road.
Fi oedd yn neud yr part yr quad bike, yr ATV. So o'n i'n dechrau off gyda neud daily checks round y bike, check o pressures tyres, yn neud siŵr bod y bike yn ffit i fynd ar hewl. A wedyn o'n i'n goffo neud bach o slalom a mewn a mas trwy coed. A wedyn mynd ôl beco lan a rhoi trailer arno a neud y cwrs to a llwytho hurdles. So bach o mlywio rhywbeth efo ni. Gaethon ni benna i round y cwrs. Yn colli gwbl o bwyntiau siwrd, ond na. O'n gwybod fi'n cedi oedd hi'n alright.
Today I was doing the first aid element of the farming safety for Radna, representing Radna YFC, and I believe that it's really important for everyone to know first aid regardless of who they are, what they do, because you never know what situation you're going to be doing it in. I've personally performed first aid on multiple people in the most random of places, and I feel like everyone needs to know it.
Try and think safety first, isn't it? It's important. There's a lot of farm accidents that happen because of a lack of knowledge, I think. The risks, so it's just important to think safety first and do your research and have a think before you perhaps complete a job or a task.
Fi oedd yn neud yr tractor a topper, siwt i roi'r topper yn sawn yn saff a siwt i newid blade yn saff a daily checks a beth ar y tractor a topper. Dwi'n meddwl yn bwysig i pawb yn gwybod beth yw'r diogelwch o bethau, sut i'n rhoi topper o bethau sound, wel unrhyw machine yn general, really. A bod ti'n gallu gwneud pethau mor saff a ti'n gallu di treol cadw reit damweinau ar y ffarm lawr.
With the club, it's been a competition they've done well in the past and always keen to get new members to do it. So I roped into it at first, but it's learnt new skills with quad bikes to identify the dangers and try and make sure I'm not the one in danger of it.
Nes i'r cystadleuaeth mam y tro gynta heddi, a fi wedi ffindo fe'n really good skill i ddysgu. O'n i'n neud y foreman ar first aid, so foreman oedd just i fel helpu bach o pawb, check bod nhw'n okay, a wedyn fi oedd y lead yn first aid.
I think it's important from various aspects. Obviously you've got the safety aspect. I mean, farm safety on farm is absolutely vital. You've got the aspect of safe use of machinery, and then there's the first aid aspect as well. I feel that the people within my team have said that they've gained a lot from that. And then there's also the practical perspective with it as well, of going back to basics with machinery, your daily checks, the safe way of putting on implements, how to operate machinery, reading manuals, just learning all these things that perhaps you would just take for granted on a day-to-day basis.
This is a competition where these members pick up skills that will last them forever, for their lifetime. They've been taught how to handle machinery, how to read simple things like read the book, read the stickers, get the skills so you set these machines up to make sure that they are safe to use.
I'm here today involved with judging the Young Farmers Safety Competition. The standard of youngsters coming forward for this competition today, so far, is excellent. And the whole point of this competition is to get young farmers thinking about safety, being prepared to get together before the event and train, talk about safety, and hopefully some of these messages then will relate back to their own farm. And it's part of the young farmers' education that we've been doing for the last umpteen years of young farmers in this country.